First, let me introduce myself to the student. I am Barkha from Kolkata. I give art tuitions to students online as well as offline. In that, I teach different mediums of coloring like oil pastel, soft pastel, watercolor, and sketching, and, uh, and different types of art as well. To up to small children, I do for beginning. Then I'll proceed with the elder one. So in this class, I will teach you how to draw a sketch of a ship. So shall we start? Okay. So without wasting time, let us start our sketching class. So at first, I have taken a very light pencil. See, my pencil is 2B pencil. You can take any pencil, a Natraj pencil, any pencil which you use for drawing. Okay. So I'm starting to make it. You follow me. Wherever you will get doubt, please ask me.
Ma'am, please wait 1 second.
Yeah. See, I've drawn a line. That's it. Curved line.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I am doing step by step. You follow me.
Ma'am, wait, please.
Yeah, you please do. There are lots of time with us. Nothing to worry.
Ma'am, what you have made in?
I'm making a ship, baby. I'm making a ship. See, I have drawn first this line, then two this lines. These two lines I have drawn it curved way, and again a curved line. That's it.
Then, ma'am.
Yes. Then I'm doing the upper portion.
What is the side bump that you have
It is
made?
a curve. It is going like this. See? That's it. A line like this. Curved. Two curved lines. See, two lines I have drawn over here, two curved lines and a U shape, inverse U over here. Again, one curved line and an inverse U shape over here. It is going like this. I'm just making boxes. Two boxes I have made.
Ma'am, I'm making second curve.
Yeah, you make. I have drawn three boxes. Right now I am doing drawing. After that, we will sketch it off. Then the actual look will come. Here I have made two lines.
Ma'am, you have made one more box over there.
See, it depends upon your page, how long you are making. You can go with three boxes as well, or you can make four. It depends upon your page size. If you have space, you can make one more. Again, here I have made three. Now again, this side also. See, nothing I have done. I have done only curves over here, here curves, and here just boxes, curved boxes. That's it. If you have done one, you can do all. It's similar. Once we complete the drawing, we'll start sketching. Now at the top of it, I am making a flag. Small ladders over here. You know, ship has ladders. I have kept small spaces in the middle. You see, in all
Mom,
between the two
here.
boxes, there are spaces. So in that spaces, we will make small ladder. See, I have told you to take the light pencil. So I have taken light pencil from which you were making drawing. Just make this type of lines. I have hold it over like this. See? And I'm just moving pencil. Can you see? I have not hold it like this. I have hold it like this. Leaving this up to this I have left. And I'm just moving pencil very lightly. No lines would come. It will go only light lines like this. Not dark lines. See, dark lines will not come. Okay. The pencil will move very lightly. So I am doing the same in the next box also. Slowly we will rub it. If it will go outside, we'll rub it later. Okay. Do it very slowly. Nothing to hurry. And this side also we'll do it. And then we will merge these lines.
Mom, what is meaning of merge?
Merge means we will mix this line with the paper. Lines will not be visible. In the corners I am doing, okay? In both the corners you will do.
Ma'am, we can use any HB pencil.
You can use the lightest pencil. Now I am using the lightest pencil. After
Yes,
that, we will
ma'am.
use the dark pencil. Over here also I'm doing. Do it very patiently, it doesn't go out.
No.
Only just to move the pencils like this. Not to give dark tones, okay? Very light tone. This needs practice. Whenever you sit alone, take a pencil and paper and do this. This is the base of sketching, this spreading.
Ma'am, should we do fully, ma'am? Means the
No,
sketching?
I'm leaving spaces. See, here I have left space, here I have left space.
Okay, okay, okay.
See, my one is not visible, it's so light. Pencil is not visible. Since when we are done with this, you can use earbuds if you have, or you can use finger also to spread it if on this first class you don't have earbuds. See, I'm using earbuds to spread. Since the lines are very light, they can be spread. And if you don't have earbuds, you spread it with finger. Yeah, I'm spreading. But leave white spaces, okay? Don't merge it fully. Whenever you do sketching, keep a rough paper with you always. Otherwise, like if you have taken like this, it will touch over anywhere. The drawing will get damaged. So a rough paper should be kept with sketching. Okay. Now take a dark pencil. I have told you to take one dark pencil also.
Mom, wait.
Okay, I'm waiting. We will do nothing with the dark pencil, but just a outline. Okay, I've forgotten to told in the flag also we will give a little bit sketching, leaving blank spaces. And one more thing, while you do sketch, always complete the top portion, then go to the bottom portion. Otherwise, if I have done over here
Ma'am,
sketching and yes,
now
okay.
we should outline it with the.
Yeah, that is
We
what I am saying.
outlined it.
Up to this portion only I am outlining. Then we will proceed to the next portion. Okay. I am outlining dark with dark
Oh,
pencil. You take a
Mom,
dark pencil. If
wait,
you have
I'm
four,
merging.
if you have 4B or 6B pencil, you outline with that. See, I have taken a 6B pencil. The pencil from which you have made drawing. Beside that, you can use any dark pencil. I am using a 6B pencil. As per your convenience, you can use any dark pencil. All the borders, we will cover it with dark outliner, dark pencil. And the ladders also.
What we have to make here? What you have made here?
What?
What
Let me
you
see.
have made here?
Over here at the top, I have made a flag. See, I have made a flag and a box type. Two things I have made. You can see.
Ma'am, is this okay? Vinisha.
Show me, Vinisha. Yeah, it's okay. Okay. Earlier I'm holding it like this. See.
Ma'am, where you have done dark?
All this border I have done dark, baby. See, this is the light one, and over here I have done the dark tone in the
Ma'am,
border.
you have done all the outlines dark.
Yeah, all the outlines I have done dark. Pencil has been held like this and just moving like this. Up to no merging is required in this. It is already a shaded. And over here it will be a little bit darker. For giving dark tone, you will give pencil 2 times, okay? For giving dark tone. But very smoothly. See what I have made at the down. Waters I am making. Outline all this with dark pencil. I have done sketching over here half. Here 2 times sketching. This one is I have completed half, okay? Half is left.
Okay.
And over here I have left a few space.
Okay.
I have hold pencil like this and just moving. We are using 2 pencils, dark pencil and light pencil. For making the sketch, I have used light pencil and now I am covering it with dark pencil. This is a dark 6B pencil. You can use 4B also. What you said?
In dark, 6B, and in light, 2B.
Yeah. 2B and 6B I have used, Babu. Any dark and light pencil you have.
And then for outlining, 10B.
Outlining I have used 6B. 6B pencil. And now sketching also I am doing with 6B pencil. See, our drawing is completed. Now you do.
Done, ma'am.